Hey guys, Curtis Jones of Panda Captain Hudson. Today I am finally starting to build the interior of the van to be a full mobile detail unit. First step, I'm gonna pop this cover off to see what's behind it, cause I'm planning on mounting a couple bottle holders up here somewhere. So follow along this journey. Okay. I might be the one videoing it. I think it's gonna work.
Yeah? Feels pretty solid.
So, I'm gonna try to make this as centered as we can.
It looks pretty centered. I think that one we just have to make it a bit bigger because it kind of lines up with it already. This one doesn't.
Oh yeah, hopefully that works.
Yeah, this one
I'll have to
doesn't.
move it over a little bit. Cause I don't know if making that bigger would work. I think that should be good, hey. Yeah.
There. Do you think that's good?
I mean, that's have it down a bit, but I think that's okay. Right? Yeah.
You think that's good, or do you
Fuck it.
fuck around and find out?
Yeah.
There.
Cool.
Let's get to it.
Ready? We'll bring the camera out and we'll do it on the tab box so we'll drill hole in the car.
Why? You'll have more stuff to mount.
I mean, we're gonna have to anyway, but no. We're gonna drill the new holes so that shit works. There we go. One more hole to drill.
Take this thing off first.
Yeah. This can go back on. Oh no, I'm gonna fix that. I don't want that one to hold the ball back. So it's not such a pain in the ass. Is the
You want me to do the top first?
yeah.
Okay, wait. I need this.
So we're gonna clip the clips in that aren't gonna be holding the ball back, so we don't need to hold the panel up and try to do it at the same time. Yeah, we're gonna do the top, then we're gonna do that one bottom one.
Can I put the bottle holder, or do you want?
We can do that one. That way it's more sturdy. Then we're gonna hopefully put the wrap on. Hopefully we'll enough. Enough.
Make this work.
Please.
Does it work?
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, I have to secure these and stuff. Let's focus on the bottle holder.
That looks sick.
There, perfect.
Perfect.
Hey guys, it's me. So I definitely did record it also, but my phone was stupid, so it messed up the audio. So I can no longer use that. But pretty much all I said was, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Thankful that I didn't have to use wood to mount these bottle holders, as I like my interiors to look factory or well done. I don't want to half-ass anything.